Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to walk through how to fix the issue of creating a new Facebook profile when the option doesn't show up. If you've been trying to create another profile on Facebook but can't seem to find the option, don't worry. I've got you covered. Let's start by opening the Facebook app. Once it's open, head over to the menu. Just tap on the three lines, either beside your profile name or in the top right corner. From there, tap on your name to go to your profile page. Now, look for the three dots near your profile picture or in the top right corner of the screen. When you tap on these, you should see the option to create another profile. If this option is missing, don't worry, there's another way to find it. Head to the top of the Facebook app and tap on the drop-down menu next to your name. There, you'll find the option to create a new Facebook profile. If this still doesn't work, the issue might be that your app needs an update. To fix this, go ahead and open your App Store and search for Facebook. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. If there's an update available, tap Update to get the latest features and bug fixes. This should solve any issues you're facing with creating a new profile. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope this helped. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.